Hello, I'm Jason Stephenson, and welcome to this visualization that will bring lightness, joy, and peace of mind to you as you sink into a world of blissful dreams. There is nothing you need to actively do or accomplish here. Simply allow the suggested imagery to awaken the bliss within. To begin this practice, just take a moment to settle in. Resting on your side or on your back, ensure that the neck is aligned with the spine and that your arms and legs rest comfortably. Closing your eyes if you've not already done so. And then take a few deep breaths, perhaps releasing a soft sigh as you exhale. As we move into this visualization, imagine that your mind and its capacity to imagine is a creator of both dreams and reality, holder of light, love, beauty, and magic. An inspired mind awakens your spirit to the tranquility, peace, and wonder that is your birthright. Let your imagine come alive as you let go of the day behind you, preparing to sink peacefully into a blissful night of dreams. Before we begin this visualization, just take a moment to relax the muscles in your forehead, to soften your jaw and shoulders, to ease any constriction in the belly, and to invite your entire body to surrender into the surface beneath you. Let your breath ground you as we move through this practice. Now begin by envisioning a bright, open meadow stretching out before your mind's eye. A sea of green blades of grass is adorned with summer florals, violet, white, gold, and blush-colored blossoms spread out across the field, blowing gently in the soft breeze. Here you are, standing in this meadow stretching far and wide in all directions. Off to your right, a dense forest stands a few hundred yards away from you. To the left, rolling hills and valleys reach out into the distance. And straight ahead, the land slopes gently downwards, trailing towards a still, shimmering lake. Rooting through your feet, you stretch your crown up towards the cosmos, letting your shoulders fall back as your heart space opens up to the world with grace. Take a deep, long breath in and out, letting all tension fall gently away from your brow, your shoulders, and your chest. The lake calls out to you now, And so you mindfully make your way through the meadow towards its luminous edge. You are in no rush to arrive there, minding each slow and steady step that you take across the earth. You walk as Vietnamese Buddhist monk Thich Nhat Hanh suggests, as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. As you take your last few steps towards the water's edge, you keep your senses held open to the world. Floral aromas fill your nostrils, awakening you to the joy and the beauty of the earth. The sights of this natural landscape, the sparkling water, the vibrant greenery, and the colorful blossoms fill your eyes, awakening you to life's sweetness. The feel of the earth beneath your feet strengthens you, awakening you to the support you have in this very moment. And the sounds of the singing birds ripple through your ears, awakening you to the wonder and mystery of this life. You feel calm, peaceful, and serene as you take a seat on the flat rock by the water's edge. The air is warm still as the sun begins its descent behind the horizon. You watch as your part of the world turns away from this radiant star. With grace and ease, the world surrenders the day that trails away and embraces the coming night. And as the sun sets, the sky shifts from eggshell blue to the radiant hues of tangerine and magenta. The warm pink sky reminds you of the magic to be found in these quiet hours, in these times of subtle transition. As the day gracefully drifts away, you find yourself more ready than ever to surrender, letting your back come to rest on the smooth rock beneath you. You stare up at the night sky, and feeling safe and supported by the universe, you consider one single thought or attachment that you can let go of in this moment. You think of just one thing that does not serve your heart, offering it to the universe where you trust it will be transformed. You take a few slow, deep breaths now, shedding with each exhalation whatever you do not wish to hold on to. You find beauty and awe in the sky above, awakening your inner source of peace, ease, and tranquility. You silently thank both the earth below you and the atmosphere around you for supporting you in this very moment. Take one more look up at the stars, welcoming their beauty and mystery into your dreams. And when you are ready, gently let your eyes close upon this visualization as you root yourself back into the surface beneath you, coming back to your breath, observing its continual stream of unconditional nourishment. And as you drift into sweet dreams, let this life force guide you, reminding you that you are held and supported by the universe in this very moment and in the ones to come.